back to Cookin With James. I'm your host, James. Today's gonna be awesome. We're gonna do smash burgers out in the Blackstone, so stick around. All right, everybody, we did the burgers. They were super simple, smash burger style. So nothing left but to put this thing together for you. All right, guys. So here we go. We got everything off the Blackstone. Super simple. Took about 15 minutes. I made a special sauce. This is 2.5 teaspoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of honey mustard, half a tablespoon of sriracha, and half a tablespoon of tartar sauce. So this is a really good sauce, guys. We're gonna spread this on. Let's go ahead and get our burger on there. The cheese, ooh, that's hot. Still hot. We're gonna go ahead and actually get our onions on here first. Oh, those onions are so good. Oh yeah. Get our bacon on there. Some more bacon over here, just throw it on there. Got a nice see what that's looking like. All right, guys, we'll bring you right back in a minute. We're gonna take a bite of this thing. All right, guys, we're back for the taste test. I cut this thing in half for you. I just want to kind of show you what we're working with here. If the camera can focus on that. That is going to be delicious. Woo. And with that sauce, you got to try that sauce. I give you the ingredients. Please do. That's awesome sauce. Anyway, here we go, guys. Oh man. 2 thumbs up. That is awesome. So Once again, the Blackstone is awesome and amazing. So that sauce is really good, guys. Try that sauce. So I just want to say thanks, guys, for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell for the notifications if you like what we're doing here, so you can get all of my future videos. Other than that, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this burger, guys, and we'll catch you on the next cook.